kumkaribisha dada yetu, the President of Ethiopia, our sister. Please, karibu.
I was worried. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Dr. William Ruto, President of Kenya, my sister, First Lady, Madam Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, many friends gathered here, my foreign dignitaries, and the great people of Nairobi and Kenya. For me, this is the 8th Jamhuri Day I'm celebrating here in Nairobi since 2011. I had the immense privilege of joining you with the huge UN family present in this city, Nairobi, which is the seat of the two global programs of the United Nations, the two only ones in the Global South, and also a headquarters of the United Nations. Today I'm here representing Ethiopia to this very important celebration of your Independence Day, and I have the honor and great privilege of bringing to you greetings, warm greetings from your brothers and sisters in Ethiopia. 60 years is indeed a milestone. I have been, as I said, a witness of the great progress that Kenya has made since its independence. I would like to wish you success and prosperity and happiness to the great people of Kenya, which is an extraordinary host for whoever comes to this country. So I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and really long life, Your Excellency, and a happy Jamhuri Day to all of you, and may God bless this beautiful country and its people. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Tuwapigie ndugu zetu hawa makofi jameni kwa kutuzungumzia. Asante sana.